Hey everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. Today we are going to talk about Helldivers 2 annoying game crashing issue that happens before the end of the mission or during extraction. Users started experiencing this issue after installing the recent patch 01.000.200. But before we get to that, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us in creating more similar videos. A lots of gamers on PS5 and PC are reporting about annoying issue where game crashes randomly during the drop, in between the game, at the end in the extraction cutscene, when objective is completed and sometimes just before reward screen. And there could be other instances as well. As per the reports, earlier when game was crashing it was happening due to the use of arc weapons and crashes were not frequent. But after recent patch, game crashes randomly at any point in each mission. It's a widespread issue which is reported by thousands of players all across the world. Even users are also suggesting company to stop adding new items and first fix the crashes. Talking about the fix, the company has already released the patch 01.000.201 that fixes the issue when game was crashing while accessing the acquisition menu, accompanied by a list of known issues, and suggested users that they are working on fixing the issue and soon release the patch. In the meantime, what are the options for users facing frequent crashes? Although there is no working solution available at the moment and only thing we can do is wait for the company to fix the issue, but one user suggested that setting the difficulty to below suicide helps in fixing the issue. Another user suggested that for PC gamers, checking the integrity of the file in Steam might help in fixing the issue. But again, consider these as recommendation and not the solution. In case you are aware of any other solution that helps in fixing the issue for you, then feel free to share in the comments for other users. We hope that company will soon fix the crashing issue so that Helldivers 2 fans can enjoy the smooth gaming experience. In case we get any update on this issue or get new solution, we will update in the blog post linked in the description. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.